Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Learning Diary. Today we will discuss how to communicate on the telephone. So let's start. Hina is calling Bina while Sakina is answering the call. Assalamu alaikum Bina. Alaikum assalam. No, this is Sakina. Hina. Oh, Sakina. This is Hina. How are you, Sakina? Sakina. Fine, thanks, Hina. And you? Hina. Not too bad. Is Bina at home? Sakina. Yes, she is in the kitchen. Just a minute. Hina. Thanks. Now let's practice questions with is, are, am. So let's start. Is Arsalan at home? Yes, he is in the kitchen. Is Najma at home? Yes, she is in the living room. Is Ahmad at home? No, he is in the school. Is Ali at home? Yes, he is in the bathroom. Is Bina at home? Yes, she is in the bedroom. Are they at home? Yes, they are in the kitchen. Are we at home? Yes, we are in the bedroom. Are children at school? Yes, they are at school. Are you at school? Yes, I am at school. Are you at home? Yes, I am in the kitchen. Let's start practice with this or that. That's Hina. She is in the living room. This is Maria. She is in the kitchen. That's Ali. He is in the bedroom. This is Ahmed. He is in the kitchen. This is Ali. He is in the bathroom. करीब के लिए दिस और दूर के लिए दैट्स का इस्तेमाल होगा. दैट्स अहमद. ही इज़ इन द गार्डन. दिस इज़ सकीना. शी इज़ इन द बेडरूम. इसकी ज़रूर प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, बहुत ही आसान है. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़.